Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to free up storage without the need to remove apps. So first of all, let's remove cache. So let's go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find apps and then tap on see all 43 apps. And what I highly recommend to do here is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're using frequently, and remove cache. So let me choose maybe camera, just tap on the app, then go to storage and cache. And here we've got something called cache, and basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device. They are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and they are occupying a memory. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache. Your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make the app brand new. So maybe you can think that, well, it is not a really huge amount of data which we are removing right here in the storage and cache. And that's true. However, if you will go through all of those apps, it will actually be quite a lot of memory. So, so be aware about that and simply do it. After that, after removing cache, I highly recommend to reset your device. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is right here on the right side, press it and hold it, and then tap on restart, and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again. And basically this operation will simply I would say confirm all of the changes you've made by removing the cache. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check your downloads. Because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So what I highly recommend to do is to go and check your files. Open your file manager, which is right here in this case. It doesn't matter whether you're using the pre-installed file manager or any third-party app. All of them will have something called downloads, and in my case downloads are empty. However, I bet that you've got a lot of stuff here, and probably most of it is not really that important, and you can actually remove it. Moreover, you can also check documents, for example, etc., to find some files which you really don't need. And as a last device, I will not really show it to you here because we've got a separate video of how to enable the whole backup, but I highly recommend to consider backing up your data, especially photos and videos, in other places, like for example OneDrive or Dropbox. It's completely up to you. There are two advantages of this option. The first one is because you will store your files in a safe place. So, for example, if you will lose your device or something will happen to it, it will be damaged, you will still have your photos and videos saved in other places, so you'll have access to them. And the second advantage is that you will be actually able to remove them from your device's internal storage because they will be saved in another place. And let's be honest, videos are usually quite heavy. And thanks to it you will be able to remove it and save some space. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.